Hello kids, welcome to Shri Academy online classes. So today we are going to study about fish, insects and birds. So let's get started. First topic is fishes. Fishes, they always live in water. As we all know that fish always live in water. They can always breathe with the help of their gills. Fishes don't have nose, so that's why they breathe with the help of their gills. Some fishes are also who can fly. Flying fish can be seen jumping out of the warm sea water worldwide. Means flying fish can also jump and fly too. Whenever they want, they can fly, and whenever they want, they can jump out of the water. Their steamed sharp wings help them to maintain speed under the oceans or water. Their sharp wings help them to maintain speed. Next topic is insect. Insects are very small animals. As we can see, insects are very small and they have 6 legs. All insects have 6 legs. So some insects also have wings that helps them to fly. For example, we can see butterflies. Butterflies are very beautiful flying insects. They have large scaly wings. Butterfly have large scaly wings as we can see in the image. Their body is covered with the tiny screenry hairs. Their body is covered with the tiny screenry hairs and they have 4 wings and 6 legs. Butterfly has also 6 legs and 4 wings that helps them to fly. Next is ladybug. Ladybug are plant eating insects. These are plant eating insects and is doing so to help to protect the crops. They eat plant to help our crops, means to protect our crops so that our crops can be protected. Next is beetle. Beetle have 6 legs. Beetle is also an insect, so it has also 6 legs and its wings are attached to their parts of body. Beetle's wings are attached to the parts of the body. They can fly with the second pair of wings. They can also fly with the second pair of the wings. Next topic is birds. Birds have feather on their body. As we know that birds have feather on their body and birds have 2 wings to fly. 2 wings of birds helps them to fly in the air and they have 1 beak which helps them to eat. All birds have 2 wings and 1 beak and 2 legs. For example, we can see peacock. As we know that peacock is our national bird. The peacock is the most beautiful bird on the earth. They usually have blue color and its feather is a mixture of blue and green color. As we can see, peacock's color is a mixture of blue and green golden color. Peacock lives for 10 to 25 years. Next topic is kingfisher. Next example. Kingfisher are a family of small to middle sized bright colored eggs. Kingfishers in a size they are middle or small. They have a big head, sharp beak and a small legs and stubby tail. Means kingfisher have a large head and a sharp beak which helps them to eat and a tiny legs. So I hope that you all get understand. Thank you.